Today we are making a traditional Nicaraguan meal, Gallo Pinto. First you will need about a quarter to a half a cup of chopped up onion, and you will also need some pre-cooked beans and rice. We used soaked black beans. My mother-in-law always soaks her beans in water and vinegar, and sometimes for days. And I also made it with brown rice, but it's traditionally made with white rice. Here we have the beans here. And here's the brown rice starting to cook in the pot. But you get all of the nutrients with the brown rice. And so here we have about a tablespoon of avocado oil heating up in the pan. It's traditionally made with manteca or lard in Nicaragua, but I unfortunately didn't have any made or any tallow, so we're just using what we had, which was avocado oil. And she added about a pinch of salt into there. And now we are adding the onion. And we just want to get a nice saute on that onion. Now some people also add sauteed peppers to this, or Worcestershire sauce or salsa inglesa. It depends on your preference for taste. Now she's adding in the beans, and she added about half the container in there, which is 2 cups approximately. Now her beans are usually a little more liquidy than this, she told me. And so she likes to add the extra liquid in there because otherwise the dish can get a little dried out. And so she had to add a little bit of extra water into there, but you could also add broth to make it more nutritious. Now this can be eaten as a side with meat or with other vegetables or a salad. Also can be accompanied with fish or with eggs. And in my husband's family, they sometimes eat it with arepas as well. Arepas are Colombian, but I made those actually my mother-in-law made those in another video. And so you want to add equal parts of beans and rice. Now black beans or red beans can be used. Either one is very traditional. And you just want to mix it very well. And that is about the right consistency that we are looking for. It's a very simple and traditional meal, and it's just very satisfying. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know in the comments what you think. If you've tried it before, or other traditional Nicaraguan meals that you're familiar with. I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for all notifications, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Until next time, bye, and God bless you.